You know, plantain different from banana.
Banana, red and plantain. No, banana green and plantain red.
Oh, they have one, the banana have one greenish color and the plantain have one reddish color.
Yes, like
That up on it chunk.
Yes.
You can show me it? Alright, so people, no found no know how to differentiate plantain different from banana. Munji I go show you.
Banana, yeah?
Hold on. Hmm?
Banana.
You say banana I want with what? It green a look? That no look green to me. That look more reddish.
Yes, reddish. Yes, banana.
Eh? So that be plantain.
A banana.
Hmm?
If a plantain, I shake me, I check me.
Yeah, chicken. See that Munji?
Yes, a
So-
plantain. Yes, a
So that our?
A
That one.
plantain. A plantain.
Me want.
See banana, yeah?
Wait, man. See banana over there, so?
Banana. No,
See, no, sit in the corner.
banana,
See banana there, so?
banana,
Yeah.
banana, 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 banana.
Eh? No, man, we just touch on a banana.
Banana.
See that?
Yes, so one plant yeah again too. So
Yeah.
this way say a plant.
Alright, so take up one
banana.
banana and one plantain, make we see it side by side.
Yes, see banana, yeah?
Boy,
Banana. And see the plant different?
boy,
Banana.
so over this, that our.
Banana.
Take up it for me, take up the one.
That one, yeah? Banana.
That a banana.
Yes,
Yeah, cause I look one, I want greenish color.
At the stalk come out.
Oh, you, oh! Okay,
That
so
one, they trick me up.
you strip off his stalk, so that is why we don't see greenish color.
When me a clean.
So it's like all of them, both banana and plantain, when you strip off his stalk, all of them almost have the same color.
Yes.
So you have to kind of know it by outside stalk.
Yeah.
So see it, people.
Yeah, almost about 31.
Yeah. So see it, people. This is a banana.
Yeah.
But if you strip off the stalk, yeah, you see,
Yes.
you have one reddish color too.
Yes.
Color like. So it will look like plantain. So you can know a banana by
That one.
this a banana
Yes, that one a plant.
and this.
Yes, a plant.
This a plantain. So plantain have one reddish color stalk and banana have one more greenish color. Like this. But as me say, if you prepare your banana and plantain and you end up strip them down, you maybe can't tell the difference.
Yes, that's true.
It's hard to
Yes,
tell the
that's true.
difference.
But if you put in one,
Yes.
oh yes, this is one banana and this is one plant.
Mm-hmm.
Right, that's true.
Yeah, man. So, me know enough people out there.
Look why now.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Cause you strip you off.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah. Cause enough people out there don't know the difference. You know?
Yes, that's true.
Yeah. So, that me always look pan to. It's dark color.
Yeah.
Yeah, people. So, that is it. So, yeah, man. So, if you have any questions, any comments, please put them in the comments here. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. You hear from Munji himself. Plantain and banana God. So, see you again in another video. They are the plantain and banana hole. We put in them plantain and banana there. See it? Work in progress.